Hello and welcome to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to do something that is a first for me. I'm going to do an unboxing. Now, since I've never done one before, I'm not too sure how I'm going to film it, how it's going to work out and everything. So I have my two cameras going, and hopefully between the two of them we'll get a good result. So today's product is the Orico 3.5-inch SATA USB 3 hard drive dock. So it's one of these docks where it actually holds the hard drive. So you put the hard drive in and then you use USB 3 and you plug it into your computer. So this one is clear plastic, and I bought it quite a while ago, but I haven't opened it because so far I haven't had a use for it. But also I wanted to do an unboxing, and I wanted to do a virgin unboxing so that the product hasn't been opened yet. So I bought this on June 19th, so quite a while ago, and I got it I live in Canada, so everything's very expensive here, and I got it for $20 plus tax, of course, and it was down from $60, which seems like a lot of money to me, but that's what the receipt says. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Except I can't get it open. Okay, so there's your first look. I'll do it for both cameras so that you can see there's the dock. So we'll get that out. And underneath here, we've got the power adapter. You can see that. It's got a universal socket on here, and then, you know, hopefully they give you the plug that matches your country. So that's what that looks like. And here's the plug adapter. So that just plugs into the like so. It's got an unlock. Oh, here we go. Anyway, I'll work on that. So there's your adapter, your plug adapter. And then we have the USB 3 cable, which looks like so. Okay. And then inside the box we have a thank you for choosing Orico, which seems to be very common these days, unless it's just from Orico. But I buy quite a few of their products because they're reasonably priced, and I like to save money. And you get a little manual that looks like so. I'm sure you can't see it on camera because it's very tiny writing. Okay. Just move that out of the way, move this out of the way. And there's the adapter and the cable. And everyone loves the plastic peel. Try to get my big hands out of the way. I don't have any monitors on either camera, so I can't really see what's going on. But hopefully this is in frame. I have a rough idea of where the camera is pointed. So there you have a nice white logo on the front, Orico. And as you can see, it's clear plastic. Very nice looking. It's a hard plastic. On the back, we have the port for the USB cable. We have the port for the power adapter, and a button, which I'm assuming is, I don't know, reset maybe. And then inside, we've got the SATA connector for the hard drive. So we'll just move that around so that the two cameras can see it, because I know the lights will reflect off the plastic. Very nice looking product. And on the bottom is two circular half moon rubber feet, silicone feet, or whatever it's made out of. I forgot to tell you what the model number is. This is the Orico 6139U3. And there's the box, just a plain box. And it says it has 5 gigabits per second max, 3.5-inch hard drive, and obviously it would take a 2.5-inch drive as well. Although it doesn't have the, some of them have a little cutout for a 2.5-inch, so that it just supports it a bit. But there's nothing stopping you from plugging in a 2.5-inch drive. It says USB 3 and tool free. Okay, so just open up the cable and I'll tell you how long it is. These USB 3 cables are, I think because of the specification, they're kept rather short. So that's the cable length. That's pretty good length. That's about 4 feet. I have my trusty measuring tape. Technical difficulties, just a minute. And it is 43 inches, so just over 3.5 feet. 3.5 foot cable, so that's pretty good. It's not really long, but it's not bad. And that will go into here. I'm not going to hook this up to a computer because I was thinking about doing benchmarks and things, but generally, you know, your results are going to vary depending on your computer and stuff. Oh, it has quite a, this is a very unusual, I've never seen this kind of connector before. I guess this is the USB 3 type B. I'm used to the USB 3 plug that they use, the flat one, the very small flat one that they use on 2.5-inch external hard drives, but I've never seen this type before. So that goes in there like so. And then I gotta figure this out. Okay, so you just push it down and it's just very stiff to click it in. And then you plug the power connector in like so. And I forgot I need a hard drive, so let me get a hard drive. So here we have a 3.5-inch hard drive. And you plug it in like so, facing you. And that's it. That is it. And then plug it into your computer, as I'm sure all of you would know. If you're geeks and or you're interested in computer stuff, computer gear, then you'll know all about this. And now you can do your imaging or your backup or whatever it is you want to do. Okay. I'll just hold that up for you like so. And like so. Hopefully this is in focus since my B camera is not autofocus. So okay, so that's going to do it for this one. I hope you've enjoyed my first attempt at an unboxing, and hopefully the video turns out well, and I'll be able to put together a pretty good quick video, but hopefully informative if you're interested in buying this product. Okay, thank you for watching and take care.